Kyoto University uncovers the underlying mechanisms of 3D tissue formation. Thanks to stem cells, scientists have been able to grow parts of organs in the lab, but that is a far cry from constructing a functional three-dimensional organ. Publishing in Science Advances, Professor Mototsugu Eiraku and his team from Kyoto University's Institute for Frontier Life and Medical Sciences have found that individual cells sense the mechanical forces around them, resulting in the formation of the primordial eye, the optic-cup. First author, Satoru Okuda, explains that if you want to use stem cells to build an organ for transplantation, you need to think in 3D. He explains why understanding how cells bend and move is a vital research topic.
In the past, we succeeded in making the optic-cup by culturing and aggregating stem cells. To form a sphere, the tissue needs to first protrude from the primordial tissue and then invaginate inside. But how individual cells sensed and motivated themselves to form that shape has been unclear. So, we used the experimental data and developed a simulation that calculates the risks behind the formation of a three-dimensional tissue structure. The simulation showed that a series of pushing and bending forces are generated, causing a portion of the cells to spontaneously fold into the tissue. The combination of the tissue deformation and the strain on the boundary generates a hinge, leads to the cup-like structure.
The team verified their findings by using mouse embryonic stem cells and apply mechanical strain on specific points. They found that the cell's shape changes based on the prediction of the simulations.
These findings reveal a new role of mechanical forces in shaping organs, which is crucial in forming complex tissues, even in a petri dish. While current techniques are still limited, we hope to improve the accuracy of our simulations and recreate more complicated tissues and organs and push the field of regenerative medicine forward.
Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the university website or the latest issue of the KyotoU Research News magazine.